Student, can you hear me properly? Okay. So now I am discussing what is the heating effect of electric current. Students, if electric current passes through an wire, it gets hot. Okay, this is because of heating effect of electric current. Some effects are there when an electric current passes through a wire. Some its effect there. One of them heating effect, another is magnetism, electric magnet. Okay, magnetism. So today our topic is electric current and its effect. So first, heating effect. So that electric wire got hot because there through it electric current is flowing. That's why it got hot. That is the heating effect of heating effect of electric current. And some amount of heat is produced here. Some amount of heat is produced here. That amount of heat depends on material of the wire, thickness of the wire, length of the wire or length of the conductor, and cross section area of the conductor. All these factors, that amount of heat denotes. And also the electric current must, if large amount of electric current flows over it, then large amount of heat will be produced. Okay, if it is small amount of electric current flow over it, then small amount of heat is produced. Okay, so that is the heating effect of electric current. Now students, we use some appliance in our home which is that heating effect, that principle. When a large amount of electric current flow over it, it's got hot. That using that principle, we use some appliance in our home. Like, give me the example. Can you give that example? What are that electric appliance? Can you tell me? Okay, first of all, that electric heater, then toaster, room heater, then electric iron. These are the electrical device where that heating effect of electric current, that principle is used. Okay, got it? So now two important appliance based on the heating effect of electric current is widely used, that is electric bulb and electric fuse. Okay, electric bulb and electric fuse. In the bulb that word is called filament. Okay, that word is called filament. When electric current flow over the filament, then it become hot and it started glowing. Okay, so that principle, how bulb emits light, that principle depends on the heating effect of electric current. Okay, that filament of electric bulb becomes so hot when electric current passes through it and it starts glowing. Okay, that is the bulb principle. And electric fuse. One important thing, students, that where, okay, if large amount of electric current flows over it, what will happen? It can melt and break. Okay, that depends on the material of that conductor or wire. Okay, using that property, we make fuse. Actually, fuse is a safety device. We use it for damaging any electrical accident, for damaging electrical appliance. We use fuse. Actually, fuse does that is disconnect the circuit. It disconnect the circuit. First of all, every appliance in our home, in our electrical circuit, in our that is wiring, there is a fixed amount of electric current is allotted. It means that is 100 watt to 20 volt, okay, to 400 watt to 20 volt. Okay, such a fixed electric current is allotted. If more than that allotted current is flowing through over it, then obviously that electrical appliance and also the circuit will get damaged. For preventing this, that first of all, that when that electric current flows over the fuse wire, it will melt. And it break the circuit. As a result, all the connection that is connection as well as electric bulb, they are disconnected. They are disconnected from the current. As a result, it saves from get damage. Okay, so electrical device that is fuse we use as a safety purpose, and that what is the principle of the fuse? That is heating effect. If more than electric current is more than allotted electric current flowing over it, then it got hot and it melts and break the circuit. As a result, the house wiring get disconnected. Okay, and it also help us to get damage before by causing overloading. Okay.